Hi guys, it's Miss Markets by Pearl. Today, we just finished eating dinner. Now we are going to eat dessert. We just bought this a few hours ago. So, it's already opened.
She has already tasted this a while ago and now we're going to eat this again. This is 46 bubble gum guys. So, binawasan niya na yan kanina guys eh. So, ngayon sabi niya dessert daw kami. Kasi sabi ko, sige bigyan kami. O yan, shit. Give that for ano. And she will give you the review. She will react. Tanda ng anak. I have a scooper there, diba?
Nga mo niya? Vendor ka ba?
Ano yun? Para maganda yun. Bilisan mo kasi sila. They are waiting for the feedback. That is how it look like guys. Oh. It costs 199 na natin.
Hindi, 200.
200 na ang sinabi ng girl. Pero yun. This, guys, is 200 pesos.
Yes.
Okay. Okay na sa akin. Ako na lang mamaya. I-review mo na kay guys. It's unfair.
Tingnan nyo naman.
Tingnan nyo guys. Masarap siya guys. Lalo sobrang tigas guys kanina. Bubble gum. To cover mo ate. Please cover. Pakita mo kay guys. Ganyan siya guys, oh. Bilhin na namin sa Robinson Mall. So, what's the taste, ate? Let the guys know the taste of that ice cream.
My approval is 10 out of 10. Masarap. My approval is my rating is 9.4 out of 10.
So, I'm gonna eat na din. I'm gonna take mine. Okay? Bye and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.